For decades, civil aviation has faced the military threat of MANPADs, portable missile systems capable of striking aircraft during their most vulnerable phases of flight. More recently, smaller drones, once seen as toys, have become tools of disruption, grounding thousands of passengers and closing airports. The threat has broadened, from nuisance to precision, from protesters to battlefields. Drones now carry explosive payloads, strike with accuracy, shut down airports in active conflict zones. What comes next? AI-guided drones? Loitering munitions? Autonomous swarms? Threats that no longer just disrupt, but aim to destroy. Join us as we explore the broadening threat and the measures to protect civil aviation.